What's up people of the universe, it's me James here at ngayon magre-react tayo kay Carl Tamayo yung 68-point game niya. Yung back-to-back games niya na meron siyang 35 at saka 33 points back-to-back. At this is ang mga highlights niya. Magre-react tayo kay Carl Tamayo ulit at baka sa kanyang UAP or baka sa Gilas highlights. Without further ado, tara, let's go. Oh, nice. Okay. Okay. Such a, calm player. Not fake. And one. Tamayo mid-range. Guys, ang ganda ng stroke niya, guys. Ang ganda ng jump shot stroke niya. Look at this. Nice pass. Okay, Tamayo. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Easy. Oh, yeah, that's a huge space. Bang! Bang! First three of the video. Oh. Baby boy, baby. Easy, okay. This is an easy layup for this guy. Air ball. Oh, that's Tamayo. Oh, that's Tamayo. But I put back. Tamayo. Okay. Guys, isa siyang like malakas na slasher. Like such a strong finisher. At ang kanyang stroke ay isang beautiful arc. Another Gilas player on the rise. Bang! Bang! Second three. Oh. Nice pass. Okay. Mid-range. Ang galing talaga ni Carl Tamayo, guys. Post. Carl Tamayo post. Oh, Carl Tamayo post. Oh, and one. Tamayo. Nice fake. Nice pass. Okay. Yeah, that guy's tough. Nice one. Okay. Oh my goodness. Ang footwork ni Carl Tamayo ay ang ganda. First time ko lang makikita si Carl Tamayo maglalaro, guys, sa highlights. Ito yung first time ko manonood kay Carl Tamayo na highlights. Strong. Nice. Ang kanyang fadeaway, guys, ay sobrang deadly pala, okay? Okay. Right, Carl. Nice rebound. Put it back in. Pero losing team pala si Katamay, guys, ah. Oh, a mid-range. Oh, lucky bounce. See, guys, nakikita nyo ba? Isa siyang strong finisher. What? Isa siyang strong finisher. Whoa. Bang, 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 bang. Nice 3-point. Lamang na sila guys. Carl Tamayo is him, huh? Ang galing ni Carl Tamayo, ha? Carl Tamayo na naman. Bang! Bang! Already. Carl Tamayo ulit. That's a goaltending. Count that in. Carl Tamayo. Nice pass. Beautiful pass. Okay. Beautiful. Hey, this stuff. That's kapag meron siya sa post, kapag dyan siya post, it's all over for you. Ang kanyang post game guys is on another level. Two guys fly to that pump fake. That is two guys, dalawang tao like a baited. Oh my god. Carl Tamayo is that, huh? Ngayon, alam ko na ang kanyang laro. Pero dito magtatapos ang ating video. Salamat sa panonood and see you all in the next video. Peace.